Hi, my name is John, and in this episode, which is my late entry for Tool Blitz 19, I'm going to show you a trick with the Haimer for those cases where you have set your coordinate system to the top of the material. You took the part out of the vise and you need to put it back in, do some more operations, but you don't want to change your coordinate. And also you've basically cut that top layer off the material so you can get a nice fresh layer underneath. So we'll head to the mill and I'll show you the method that I use to retouch off to what is effectively the top of the material, even though it's not there anymore. Let's say this is my part and I've taken 10,000ths off the top. I don't want to redo all of the programs, so I want to set this to the top of the stock, which is now 10,000ths above this material right here, which is left. So let me show you the easy way to do it, which is you bring the Haimer down like normal. And then when we are coming up here, we want to set it to 10,000ths short of 0. So I'll go ahead and get close to that. And then set it the last little bit. And now we have the spindle positioned so that our part 0 point is exactly 10,000ths of an inch above the material that's left. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment below. See you next time.